DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Every year the Gaokao results come out, and suddenly everyone's a fortune teller. This major is hot. That one's safe. But what if the map you're using is from last year? That's where the real anxiety starts, not knowing how to choose wisely. We're diving into a tool that aims to change that game. So what magic does this choice lab actually perform? Forget just looking up school rankings. This thing is a powerhouse. It takes your province rules, your actual score, your rank, even your city preference and budget, crunches them against official data, and spits out a draft list. Think of it like having a super smart, data-savvy friend who knows all the admission game rules. In the example here, for a student in Henan aiming for Chengdu with physics plus chemistries, a score of 610 and a 26,000 rank, it generates 18 potential options, already flagged with risk levels like high risk for Electronic University's G03 group. It's not just a list, it's a starting point for informed discussion. Okay, so how does it turn numbers into a plan? First, it filters the universe of possibilities down to what you can actually apply for. Then it gets clever. It doesn't just look at your score versus last year's cutoff. It uses historical rank trends to sort options into buckets, maybe a reach, a good match, or a solid safety. Crucially, it layers on more context, the city's vibe, the university's overall platform, the specific major's prospects, the cost, and even the tricky Tally adjustment risks. It pushes back against the myth that a higher score automatically means a safer bet. Stabilities is about rank consistency. And when asking if it's worth it, it forces you to think beyond the degree title, considering the learning style required and how AI might reshape that field in the future. It's about building a strategy, not just picking names. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. Everyone's worried about jobs being replaced. Choice Lab tackles this head-on with AI scenario analysis. It doesn't just blindly recommend the latest trendy major. Instead, it asks the tough questions. Does this field rely heavily on tasks easily automated? What kind of skills are essential? Strong math, coding, hands-on experiments. How high are the industry barriers to entry? Is advanced study necessary? And critically, how much human-machine collaboration is possible? It helps students see past the hype and understand the underlying skill structure of a profession, pushing them towards reflecting on their own learning style and asking, what kind of person do I want to become? It's about future-proofing, not just chasing trends. Finally, let's not forget the family dynamic. Choosing a major isn't just about data points. It's often a negotiation between student dreams, parental expectations, and practical realities like budget. Choice Lab includes tools to manage this. It explicitly sets boundaries, reminding everyone that even a safe option isn't a guarantee, and reaching for ambitious goals needs careful planning, not just hope. Features like preference alignment and conflict detection help bring these different perspectives into open dialogue. The goal isn't to eliminate disagreement, but to make sure every choice is discussed rationally, backed by evidence, and understood by all parties. Ultimately, it aims to provide clarity, foster better communication, and ensure that the final decision stands up to scrutiny, giving families peace of mind as they navigate this crucial step.